Hello everyone, today we will study a program which will find the LCM of two numbers. We will accept two numbers from the user and try to find its LCM. For this we have defined a function, LCM function. Let us study the program from this portion. First we are asking user to enter a number. Input, enter a number. We are requesting the user to enter a number which we are converting into integer and storing it in variable n1. Similarly, again we are asking the user to enter another number and converting it into integer and storing it in variable n2. So the two input given by the user are stored in variable n1 and n2. The two numbers are in variable n1 and n2. All right. Then what we are doing, we are invoking a function, LCM function here. All right. LCM function. We are invoking the LCM function and passing parameter n1 and n2 to it. All right. From here, we are invoking the function LCM function and the parameter n1 and n2, which we have accepted from the user. We are passing it in n1 and n2. Now let us study the function itself. The function named is LCM function. It accepts two parameters n1 and n2. Here we are comparing the value of n1 with n2. If n1 is greater than n2, then what happens? Numerator becomes n1 and denominator becomes n2. Else, that means if n2 is greater than n1, then numerator becomes n2 and denominator becomes n1. So the first part of the function, what it is doing, it is comparing the value of n1 and n2 and placing the larger number in numerator and smaller number in denominator. Then what we are doing, we are finding the remainder after dividing the numerator by the denominator. Num mod 10, it gives us the remainder. Now while the remainder is not equal to 0, we shall continue this process. What is the process? While the remainder is not equal to 0, first we place the denominator in the numerator. That means that which was denominator in the first instance, it has now become the numerator, and that which was remainder has become the denominator. Once again we take the mod of the numerator and denominator and place it in variable rem. Now this whole process will continue till rem is not equal to 0. Once rem becomes 0, the things will stop. After that, at the end of the loop, what we are doing, we are placing the value of denominator in variable SCF. Now, how do we find the LCM? To find the LCM, we shall use the mathematical formula. Product of two number divided by SCF. We get the LCM by multiplying the two number and dividing it by SCF. So n1 into n2, we are multiplying both the number and then dividing it by the SCF. And we finally store the result in variable LCM. And then we return this value to the calling function. The function has been invoked here, so the value will be returned here, which is again stored in another variable LCM. And then that variable LCM is printed. All right. Now let us run this program. Enter a number. Suppose my first number is 10 and the second number is 15. So what is the LCM? LCM is 30. So this program is quite easy program. Thank you.